Oh, wow, good to see you. My people. When I don't go church. In light of these observations, I call for the following urgent actions. Number 1, comprehensive review of all reports. JAMB must immediately review all available technical and independent reports, including those from third-party educational technology companies that have gathered candidate-level data to fully understand the scope and implication of the crisis. Only by triangulating internal findings with external audits can we ensure that no affected candidate is left behind. Secondly, independent system audit is my second recommendation. Now that the rescheduled exams have concluded, I urge JAMB to commission an independent, transparent audit of its entire examination infrastructure. This audit should involve external professionals, system engineers, and academic measurement experts to scrutinize every aspect of the CBT engine: question delivery, answer validation, and result collation processes. Number 3, recommendation: safeguarding affected candidates. It is imperative that candidates from the Southeast and Lagos who have actually borne the brunt of these failures are not further disadvantaged. JAMB must provide a clear, accessible mechanism for remark and appeal, especially for those dissatisfied with the hurried receipt or who experienced technical difficulties once more during the second sitting. Furthermore, coordination with Cheick and other examination bodies must continue to ensure that no candidate academic progression is impeded by scheduling conflicts between the examination bodies. Number 4 recommendation: transparent communication and data release. JAMB should proactively publish anonymized candidate-level result data for independent verification and open its systems to Freedom of Information (FOI) requests. However, we must recognize that these measures, while necessary, do not erase the trauma, disruption, and uncertainty experienced by our young people and their families. Nigeria unfortunately lost a UTME candidate to suicide, consequentially triggered by the ensuing results of this technical glitch. A lot of questions. I think it's comprehensive. Okay.